Advice on how to be successful with affiliate marketing. You are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. With so much information available on the internet, it is hard to narrow down what is legitimate and what is trash. In this video, we will provide you with high-quality tips and tricks that may just work for you. Before entering an affiliate marketing arrangement, you should test drive your would-be affiliate's product if at all possible. Being familiar with your advertiser's products will enable you to answer any questions that might come from the visitors you send to your affiliate's sites. Also, having first-hand experience will help you evaluate the true value that your affiliates are providing to your customers. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Any affiliate company you choose to work with should offer you a wide range of materials to use. It is in a company's best interest to help its affiliates generate traffic so that everyone can profit. So if a company is not offering resources for you, you should realize that this company is not worth working for. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product. Half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. To assure your affiliating marketing is effective, check your results regularly. Pay attention to when and why you saw better or worse results for your link. If a link is getting good click-through, but not resulting in sales, you may want to do more to promote the product. If a link isn't getting clicked, try changing the placement of the link. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. In writing reviews for affiliate marketing, make your reviews visually appealing. That is, make sure your blog or site has a pleasing design, and use photos, graphics and/or videos to keep your reviews entertaining and break up text. Part of earning people's trust and esteem is giving them a pleasant experience, and the visual aspect of your reviews is an important contributor to that. People are visual creatures, so don't make it a strain or a pain to read your reviews, and people will be more willing to keep watching. In summary, there is a lot of information on the internet to sort through and determine what is legitimate. Hopefully, you not only found this resource useful but you learned something new about affiliate marketing. With the tips that we provided and some self-motivation, you should not be far off from being an expert. Student loan.